Good morning to all of you and welcome to Shiksha Sanjog program. Today we will know about the preposition of place. Preposition of place. Preposition of place shows the relationship of place between the nouns or pronouns to the other parts of a sentence. Preposition of place also tells where an event has occurred or taken place. Preposition of place are on, at, in, by, of, down, between, among, in front of, behind, above, over, under, below, etc. Let's know one by one. Choose the correct preposition. The book is dash the table. Option A, in. Option B, at. Option C, on. Option D, from. Which is the right answer? Let's know the reason. On indicate a position above but touching the surface of an object. Here the book is on the table and the surface is the table, and the book and surface both are touching each other. So what will be the right answer? Here, according to this rule, on is the right answer. Number 2. He is working dash a farm. Option A, in. Option B, on. Option C, at. Option D, from. Which is the right answer? Let's know the reason. If the places of work are not building, on is used. Here, workplace is not building. This is the open place. So, according to this reason, here on is the correct answer. Number 3. He is sitting dash my left. Option A, in. Option B, on. Option C, at. Option D, near. Which is the correct answer? Let's know the reason. On is used to indicate proximity, means close to. And according to this reason, here also the answer is option B, on. Then number 4. He lives dash ward number 9, Bargarh. Option A, at. Option B, on. Option C, from. Option D, near. So what will be the right answer? Here the Bargarh is a large area and ward number 9 is a exact point. So when we are using at for exact point, the word number 9 is a particular place. So here at is the correct preposition. Like number 5. She works dash the city general hospital. Here also option A, at. Option B, on. Option C, from. Option D, near. General hospital also a specific place. So it is also a exact point. So here also we can use the preposition at. Number 6. He lives dash Bargarh. Option A, in. Option B, on. Option C, from. Option D, at. Here there is no specific point like word number 9. The Bargarh is a large area. So in this case, when the areas are large, in that case the preposition in is used. Another question number 7. My brother works dash a bank. Here also a bank of Bargarh means there is no a specific bank or a particular house or a like ward number 9 of a Canada bank. So here a bank of any bank of Burger. So this is also a larger area. So in this case also the preposition in is used. Let's know the reason. Reason. In indicate the idea of being within a large area. It also refers to a house or a residence when no specific one is mentioned. Question number 9. I have a pen dash my pocket. Option A on, option B in, option C at, option D from. Which is the correct answer? Here, in indicates something being within something inside the edges of something. So, here option B in is the correct answer. Let's know the reason. In indicate something being within something inside the edges of something. I hope all of you have got the ideas about the preposition of place. So now the time to give you some homework. You will go through and try to complete this homework. Today is this much. We will learn the other preposition in our next class. So today is this much. Thank you. Goodbye.